Hi once again, welcome back to my channel. So this is what to expect after you locked your hair. Okay, now you have made that decision, you've started, you've gotten a good loctician, you've saved up for it, and you've done it. What do you expect? So the first thing is that your hair will be really scanty. Now this is the picture of how my hair looked like when I started. Very scanty, very scanty. Very scanty. So please do not compare your hair with someone else's hair. There are different things that you would just know. Like I said in my previous video, the fact that that person whose hair you are looking at or you are looking up to, the person's hair texture is different. The time the person has taken care of that hair is different. My hair now is 2 years, and I did not even start at from the scratch. Like, my hair was not really short, it was quite long. So some people whose hair is 2 years can be really short, and they'll be like, your hair is 2 years, my hair is 2 years, what happened? So there are different things. Okay, so just relax and follow your own locks journey. Follow your hair. So I would like to explain that there are three different stages in locks. The beginning stage, which is starter stage. Your hair will be really scanty, very flat. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Whatever it is, just enjoy it and take care of it. The second stage is the budding stage, and that is where you start to see that your hair is growing, like swelling up at some point. The tip is swollen, or it's not just smooth and fine. Your hair is budding, it is still trying to mature, and it has not gotten there yet. And this phase is the longest and most annoying phase. You also notice freezing. Mommy. Yes, darling. You also notice that your hair is freezing, it's removing frizz. There are some locks you look at and the body is really smooth and long. Who knows how long that person has kept their own hair? Your own is just starting. 3, 4, 5 months. It might look so ugly. You just keep it moist. Keep it supple, keep it fresh, and style it. Be creative with it and enjoy your own journey. It will still outgrow. So after some time, some people's own mature stage setting after 2 or 3 years. Mine, I think I'm just beginning to smell the matured face. If you notice, let me try to also look at it through this lens. It's looking as if it's getting close to that matured face. And look at it, see what I'm saying? It's now looking like it wants to look as if it wants to form, like set. But you see, I still have a lot of freezing, so we're still maturing. And until you get there, you have not gotten there. Just keep enjoying your locks. At this point, you might be tempted to cut your hair, and I'm not doing it again. It's better just try and think about the reason why you started and continue. If you feel like you're tired of looking that way, braid on your hair. Just make sure you pay attention to the dirt that usually gathers when you lock your hair, and that. So, and the last phase is the matured phase, where your hair is now all mature and still looks nice and all of that. So these are the things to expect. If there's any other thing you should expect, is that sometimes when you are trying to braid your hair to interlock, you notice that some things, your hair can start to thin out. Your hair can start to thin out. And thinning, let me look for one of my strands that looks like it's thinning. Look, this is a very good example of thinning. And what happened here? I think I pulled the hair too much. I did some koroba and braids. If you've not seen that video, I shared some things I would not like to do to my hair again. So these are just things that's just part of the journey. You learn and you keep on going. So please, I intentionally left this as a whole video, though it's really short. But what to expect anything, and embrace your own locks journey. Look at the pictures you're seeing on Instagram, on Pinterest, and do and pass. Do the style that fits your face and the length of your hair. Don't do the one that passes you. If you want to add extension, by all means add extension and enjoy your journey. Just make sure you're taking care of your hair and avoid the things that I have already mentioned in my how to take care of your locks, video. Style it if you want to, let it flow if you don't, if you feel like. Just make sure you take care of your locks and embrace your own journey. Don't compare with others, because there are different factors that you have to put in consideration. Like I said, thank you so much if you stayed to the end of this video. Please do well to check my other videos. I have a playlist of basic things you need to know about locks, some misconceptions and good stuff. So thank you so much if you stayed to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye.